If you remember that song, you'll be real OG. That was how I spent my Valentine's Day on a moving train from Lagos to Ibadan and back. I got to witness a full runway show on a moving train. Yes, models walking and looking amazing while the train was moving. The karaoke session went crazy. Oh.
Thank you, everybody.
On board were so many OGs in the entertainment industry, a first of its kind in Naija. A huge shout out to OG Sonny Neji and our ever young mommy, Yinka Davies.